one stake is here in Olari Ulars goes to Komeetankuja and Matpy here in Espoo, Helsinki, Espoo region, modernized Finland. Capacity is 4 persons or 325 grams, and I think there are like maybe all of them are VS, but we are not sure. We can see later on if it is VS or MV8 also.
Yeah.
Like the 1979 elevators we have filmed.
Yeah.
Let's see what this was built. This was built in 1979 as well, but a bit different panel like this. Also turned 40 years old in 2019. The serial number is VS50506.
Yeah.
And we are on floor B, so we can go to the second floor. It's a bit slow. It's going to be inspected in 2023. I have the same battery, so I think one drop will be enough.
Yeah.
This was sort of tricky and funny, but that's because we found the code from another staircase.
Yeah.
With a different different equipment.
Yeah.
Different code.
Yeah.
And then we found it.
Yeah.
And then, even though here it's different, it's impossible to guess it.
Yeah.
Because when they're different, usually they would be different codes, but they're the same.
Yeah. Spekteit paikkimaista meidän Espoohissa.
Alright, that's it. Thank you very much for watching. And now let's go to this DKC. This potentially we can do the other ones nearby, but our elevator.
That's